If you're dealing with non alcoholic fatty liver disease or feeling tired and seeking natural methods to cleanse, repair, and detoxify your liver, this liver detox juice is for you. Beetroot juice, rich in bioactive compounds such as betaine, nitrates, and antioxidants, is one such supplement that has garnered attention for its potential liver health benefits. Studies have shown that drinking 250 ml of beet juice in the morning, 30 minutes before breakfast for 12 weeks, may improve liver health and reduce the risk of non alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. Continue watching to discover the preparation of this mystical potion and explore its remarkable benefits for liver health. Benefit number 1: nitrate conversion to nitric oxide. Beetroot juice is naturally high in nitrates. When you consume beetroot, these nitrates are converted into nitric oxide within your body. Nitric oxide plays a crucial role in vasodilation, which means it relaxes and widens blood vessels. This improved blood flow benefits various organs, including the liver. By enhancing circulation, nitric oxide ensures efficient nutrient delivery to liver cells and aids in the removal of waste products. 2. Antioxidant power. Beetroot contains potent antioxidants such as betanin and betacenin. These compounds give beetroots their vibrant red color. Betanin and betacenin neutralize free radicals, thereby reducing the risk of liver injury. They also exhibit a hepatoprotective effect and effectively prevent fat deposition in the liver. Antioxidants protect liver cells from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Oxidative stress can lead to liver damage and inflammation. 3. Detoxification support. The liver is our body's primary detoxification center. It processes and eliminates toxins, drugs, and metabolic byproducts. Beetroot juice supports liver detoxification by stimulating the production of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant. Glutathione helps neutralize harmful substances and facilitates their removal from the liver. Because it is high in fiber, antioxidants, and essential minerals, beetroot juice is one of the best homemade remedies for fatty liver. Its nutrients help to detoxify the liver and improve the processes of fat elimination. 4. Reduce the lipid profile. Beetroot juice has been studied for its effects on lipid profiles in the liver, particularly serum triglyceride (TG) concentrations. Beetroot contains a compound called phytosterols, which structurally resemble cholesterol, aiding the liver in maintaining balanced cholesterol levels. It synthesizes cholesterol for export to other cells. Simultaneously, it removes excess cholesterol by converting it into bile salts and excreting them from the body. A 2022 published review found that drinking beetroot juice for 4 weeks significantly reduced serum triglyceride concentrations in healthy adults. Additionally, a 2020 study published in the Journal of Functional Foods discovered that combining beetroot juice with the Mediterranean diet for 12 weeks significantly lowered serum triglyceride concentrations in overweight and obese adults. Furthermore, Saig et al. 2015 conducted a human study revealing that consuming beetroot juice reduced the lipid profile, including LDL, bad cholesterol, triglycerides, and total cholesterol levels, while also significantly increasing HDL levels, the good cholesterol, in physically active individuals. 5. Impact on liver enzymes. Liver enzymes such as alanine aminotransferase (ALT) and aspartate aminotransferase (AST) serve as markers of liver health. Studies suggest that regular beetroot consumption may positively influence these enzyme levels, indicating better liver function. Several studies have found that beetroot juice can improve liver enzyme levels in people with liver disease. For example, a 2017 study published in the World Journal of Gastroenterology found that drinking beetroot juice for 12 weeks significantly reduced levels of liver enzymes in people with non alcoholic fatty liver disease. 6. Bile flow enhancement. Adequate bile flow is essential for digestion and waste elimination. The liver produces bile, which aids in fat digestion and toxin removal. Beetroot juice promotes healthy bile flow, ensuring optimal liver function. A randomized controlled trial investigated the effects of beetroot juice and the Mediterranean diet on liver health in patients with non alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. After a 12-week intervention, significant changes were observed. Serum bilirubin, alkaline phosphatase, ILP, and alanine transaminase, ALT levels decreased significantly. These findings suggest that beetroot juice may positively impact liver enzymes and lipid profiles in NAFLD patients. It stimulates bile flow and improves enzymatic activity by activating liver enzymes. Additionally, the phytonutrients called betalains in beets contribute to liver detoxification. 7. Anti inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can harm liver tissue over time. Beetroot's anti inflammatory properties help maintain liver health. Betanin, in particular, has been studied for its anti inflammatory effects. It helps reduce inflammation and prevents tissue damage. Incorporating beetroot juice into your diet will offer liver protective benefits. However, please note that this video is for educational purposes only. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes.